Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this approved used Audi SQ2 Black Edition Quattro. And this particular example is finished in the fantastic arrow grey paintwork, which has really give this vehicle that standout road appearance. As well, this is a part of the approved used range, so it does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. Now looking towards the key features, and with this being the Black Edition, does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional Black Edition styling such as the front bumper and rear diffuser, as well as the side profile, and with this being the S model you do get the quad exhaust tips as well as the SQ2 badging. Moving towards the front of the vehicle now, we find these exquisite LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys now, we do get these SQ2 specific 19-inch 5V twin spoke design diamond cut alloys, which do really stand out against the lovely grey paintwork. Now to the side of the vehicle, there is also that rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants in view, as well as protecting those valuable items from view as well. Moving into the rear boot space now of the SQ2, where we find up to 405 litres of storage space. This is a large amount for a performance SUV of this size. This can easily accommodate one larger suitcase as well as a few additional shopping bags. Moving into the rear seats now, we do find a half leather interior with the additional Alcantara centres. There is also Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, making this vehicle perfect for family usage. You do also get the chrome elements, which do also continue on into the rear of the cabin. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and luxurious interior, with a large amount of plush materials such as fine Napa leather, Dynamica Alcantara and aluminium. With this being the S model, it does mean you get these sporty S seats, which you have the Audi Sports logo as well as the additional white stitching. Above now we find a virtual cockpit, in which is featured the central sports ref counter, and when pressing the view button you can change the view of the overall display and access navigation as well as telephone connectivity. Now to the centre of the dashboard, we do find this fantastic MMI display, which has also featured the satellite navigation and also allows access of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below this now we find the equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable. And to the screen above once again now, we find the optional reversing camera as well as the front and rear sensors, which just make this vehicle much easier to park, especially in the tighter spaces. So thank you for watching this video of the approved used Audi SQ2 Black Edition, which is now available at Stafford Audi. And for more information, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly sales team.